guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're new to the channel, I'm Dia and I talk about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and I do hauls as well. So if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. As from the title, you can see that I am going to review about a brand Body Cupid. So they have a range of like body and body care products, skincare products, and I have 3 of the products with me. So I want to review about them today. So let's move on to the first product. So this is the first one. So this is the Balinese Mango Bath and Shower Gel, and it is a 200 ml product, and it's priced at $2.99. So all the links of the product will be down below. I will link their website and Amazon and Flipkart as well, so you can check from the description box. So this actually comes around, I think, 6 or 7 variants. The one that I have is a mango one. There is rose and lotus and I guess strawberry and a few, so you can check them out as well. So as you can see, 200 ml is quite a big product, and I really like the packaging for this one. It is it's quite good. Like even if you keep it somewhere, it will look good, this one. And as you can see, it is a very gel like consistency it has, and you can just directly apply on your face. It lathers very well. So this contains pure and premium Balinese mango seed oil. So that is actually very well known for their softness. Like it softens the skin, and it's enriched with like a lot of things. So that is why it is proven, and the smell is so good. It actually feels like the tropical and exotic vibe you will get from this one, and it smells exactly like mango. You will love this one, especially like all over the year. I think you can use this one and you will love it. And also the product is free from sulfate, paraben. Second product that I wanted to talk about is this one. This is the Body Cupid face wash. So this is specially made for dry and aging skin. So it is very good for them. And this contains a hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid, like it retains the water in our face, like the moisture, so it becomes softer. You will have you will have the moistured face and the hydrating part in your skin, like it will retain there. And it also contains vitamin E. So vitamin E actually is known to protect your skin, like acts as a barrier from aging effects on your skin. So it has both of them. Let me just show you how it looks like. So I'm just using a little amount of it, and I have dry skin, so like you can take it from me that it is very good for your skin. So I'm taking a little amount of the product and gently using and massaging on your face. It is very gentle on your face, and you can use it every day as well. Like it is advised to use every day, and you can just go and wash it off, and you can see like my face actually is quite it feels very fresh and hydrating, this one. And this is a 100 ml product, and this retails for $2.99. And again, this is free from sulfate, paraben, or any kind of silicone. And I will again link everything down in the description bar. And so this is the second one, and let me move on to the last product. And here I am with the last product. So this is this one. This is Red Plum Body Butter, and this comes in this tub form. Okay, so plum, as you know, it is a naturally containing vitamin C. So it is filled with vitamin C, which your skin will absolutely love. And it also contains premium botanical butters and oils, and this also have like all the essential fats or the products that your body will love it. So it is advised to use every day on your skin, and it will keep your skin hydrated, and the dryness won't be there. You can use it in the summer, in the winter as well. It is not heavy, but it is, again, winter is coming, so it will be very good for you. You can use this one, and let me show you. So one thing I liked about this is that it is a full tub. It is not like that like the cap part is there and it only has small product. It's not. It has a full tub, and this is a 200 ml one, which comes at 399 rupees. And let me show you in just a little amount, and using on my hand, and I'm just gently massaging it. It is advised that you like after you are done with your showering, and after that use this one every day, and like you will feel like the dryness has reduced a lot. And currently it is like coming to be October, but it is raining a lot here, so the weather is very damp, and my skin is getting dried, and I'm using this one this helps a lot. And again, the smell is, I love this smell. So this has, you know, the plum smell it has, and it is not too overwhelming, it is not on your face, but it has a very soothing one, and I guess everyone will like this smell as well. And this also is you know, free from any kind of paraben as well, so that is great. These are the 3 products that I have. So my absolute favorite from these 3, I would say, is the shower gel. Just get it. You won't regret this one. I love it, and there are quite a few variants as well, so you can get anything from like the favorite flavor one. Personally, I never really tried anything of mango flavor, but I'm absolutely loving that one. And the face wash again is great for if you have dry skin. It is very hydrating one, so you can use it every day. And there is the body butter one. The body butter, you know, it helps your skin from getting dried up. It will help your skin with the dryness. It won't be drying, and as you can see that it has soaked so quickly on your skin. So there's that, and all the products are free from paraben and silicone and any kind of sulfate as well, so that's very good. And the prices also, I would say, they are reasonable, they are not too much. And again, I will link the Body Cupid website and Amazon and Flipkart links as well, so you can go and check them out. And as you know, there is always sale going on somewhere or the other, so you can get everything at a reduced price as well. And let me know if you like the video, and if you have any other products from Body Cupid, or if anything else you want me to review. So let me know in the comment sections below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And you can also follow me on my Instagram, where I post quite a lot about everything, and there are also some sales going on which I am posting on my stories in Instagram. So make sure to follow me there, so you can just check about and get updated about anything, any sale or any offers that are going on currently. So I will leave everything down on the description box below. Go and check it out. And that's it for today. Bye.